How to automatically translate web pages in Chrome. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. So in order to automatically translate web pages, you're going to head over to your Chrome and you're going to click this three vertical dots and you're going to open the settings. After opening the settings, head to languages and you're going to go ahead and scroll down here to Google Translate. Now you should be able to see here translate into this language, so you can click this one and you have the option here to choose whatever language you want to translate it to. I'm going to use Korean for example, and then here automatically translate these languages. So I'm going to click this and then I'm going to go ahead and select English. Click add and you should be able to see it in here. So basically it is going to automatically translate English text into Korean. Now no need to save this one. We're just going to go here to YouTube for example, and I'm just going to refresh this one to see this in action. So from English, there you go, you can see that now it has turned into Korean. Let's go here and I'm just going to refresh this one. This is in Reuters and you can see that now it has been translated. And that is how to automatically translate web pages in Chrome.